wrestling next level type of question. The test gets settled when you step in the ring, do my thing. That's your death wish. Top rope or weapon, whatever the game leverage. The commissioner, the judge, jury, executioner is going down. Roll back and suited up, booted up. Watch your mouth and also watch your tone. Hold your phone up. Go ahead, record what's going on. We call the shots viral on your social. Mcintyre, he's on fire. Pop the goalpost, so bone crushing hits. It's about to be lit. Pinning 3 GGs. That's it in the mix, or he gonna play the background. Whether boardroom or war room, never back down. Elevation required, separation, pick another. I'll be rising to the top, whether you like it